Life isn't easy. People still suffer from depression and anxiety. It is because no one is satisfied from their own life. Everybody wants to be happy in life. We all want to live a perfect life. We want that great job or successful. We want to have great kids. We want to have friends that stick by us come rain or shine. We want to be able to have all the materials thing life has to offer and have all your problems just disappear. Unfortunately, that is also what may stopping you from having that great life. The thought of all that work, all that planning, overcoming handles and resistance is enough to make a lot of people give up before they even start. It can all seem to be overwhelming, and for many it all just doesn't seem to worth it. It like being draining of energy just at the thought of lightning rain. Before I do even all the starting line, the thought of all that running just scares and I tire us so much. Mentally, we just decide not to go for it. It's just too hard. If you are struggling with something you really want to do and I'm not sure if I'd be able to do it. Do it. At least try it. Be not afraid to try. If it not working out, that is okay. But you tried, and you will not ask yourself, what might have happened if you tried it? Do what you want, believe in yourself. Even if it's hard, as you see in my video, I'm doing an easy life with simple living and status with my friend and those who is close with me. Lets them know that no one is happy in their life, but we should try to live happy with the circumstances and limitations and always try to do the best to make your own life easier with right thing. Life come at us in waves. We can't predict or control those waves, but we can learn to surf. Life is not easy for any of us, but what is that? We must have perseverance, and above all, confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something, and that is thing, at whatever cost, must be attained. The video is going to the end for today. We will show you guys tomorrow for the next video. Thank you.